Hello guys and welcome back to TechTipTaps. In this video I'm going to show you how to diagnose almost any problem with your iPhone at home. No computer, no technician, just your phone and a couple of minutes. First, you need to connect your iPhone to a charger. Now, turn it off from the control center. Once the iPhone is completely powered off, immediately press and hold the side button, volume up and volume down buttons all at the same time. Keep holding all the three buttons until you see the Apple logo. Then release them. After a few seconds, your iPhone will boot into Diagnostics and repair. Before we continue, here is something useful. If you tap the menu icon in the top right corner, you'll see your iPhone's serial number and IMEI. And if you tap the globe icon in the top left corner, you can change the language. You'll also see the iOS version your iPhone is currently running right above the Continue button. Now tap Continue. Next, we need to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Your iPhone will connect to Apple support. Tap Agree to accept the Diagnostics and repair privacy terms. Then tap Run Diagnostics. After a few moments, you'll see a list of all the available diagnostic tests. You can test things like the display, multi-touch, Face ID, cameras, speakers, microphones, Bluetooth, battery, and much more. I'll show you one example and you can try the rest yourself. Tap Mobile Resource Inspector, then tap Start Diagnostics. The test usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. When it's finished, you'll see the results. As you can see, everything on this iPhone is marked as good, including Apple Pay, the battery, Bluetooth, the cameras, the display, Face ID, and more. You can go back and run any of the other diagnostic tests the same way. When you are done, tap the menu icon in the top right corner and choose Exit Diagnostics. Your iPhone will restart normally, and you are all set. That's how you can diagnose your iPhone completely by yourself right at home, without a PC or anyone else's help. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't so far. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.